Hello guys! Thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so be updated for all new videos. Thank you! Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is... I know what is it guys because look! This is printer. So let's open sesame. Okay, let's see if it works. It is. So let's take it out first like that. This is printer guys.
Turn it upside down onto the setting slowly.
Upside down like this.
Upside down into the setting. Yeah.
Like this.
Be careful it doesn't fall on the floor.
Oh dear.
Dear me.
Okay, so let's put it there. So, oh. So
now
is it like that?
put it on the table.
Nothing here.
No instruction books.
I got it already. There. So that is the instruction book, guys.
There are no instructions anyway.
And this is the quick
Computer stuff.
quick setup in here. And this one is
Probably the lead to plug into the mains.
yeah, just the lead. And oh, there is ink.
Only one.
Two.
Yeah, should be one black, one color.
Yeah, one black and one color. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's the front.
Also have to open it.
We have to take those off.
Oh
Careful.
dear. Oh, so why this is like that?
Maybe to prevent it from getting damaged in the post.
And this one, take that off. Okay, there.
Make sure there's no tape left stuck anywhere, otherwise
No.
the paper.
So that's it. And this,
That's for photocopying.
So
Put
that's
that paper there. We
I
want to copy.
also put the paper here. This is, oh, I'm wondering why this is loose and that one is loose as well. Like that. So when you put it, maybe when you put a bit thicker, maybe paper, then
Maybe.
it
Yeah.
lifts up a bit.
Yeah.
That is why it's loose at the back in there.
Yeah.
So it's very nice because this is clear. You can see. No, but you cannot see when it's printing. So when it's printing, you should cover it, is it?
Yeah. That
And
should be
then
closed when it's printing.
And then put the paper in here.
Yeah, paper should be resting at the back on that thing you're holding.
But there is something here. So I don't know how you put the paper.
Yeah, like that. We leave the paper there.
Because there is a thing in here preventing. Maybe,
Have a look later.
yeah. So that is the black ink. And this is the color. So it's good to provide two inks.
Yeah.
Hello, baby. So it's okay. So this lead is long enough. But,
Hopefully.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
long enough.
Yeah.
So it's good. Why there's no... Normally they put the plastic covering
I
in
hope it wasn't already used
here. Yeah. I hope too.
and returned. Because on the Amazon order page it actually said frequently returned item.
Really?
Yeah, because people can't get it to work.
Because normally there is a plastic in here. Yeah, so let's see guys if this work.
Yeah.
We have to try it first. So this is the printer So there's color and blank, and is it printer, scanner,
and copier.
and copier? Printer, scanner, and copier. So it's 3 in 1.
Yeah, but scanning can only be done through the computer. Scanning and printing. Those buttons are for photocopying.
This button,
Yeah,
photocopy, just to print something. You put something in
to
there.
photocopy.
Yeah, you just put something in there and then copy
And
it.
then press color or black.
All right. Okay. So that's good. At least we got something to replace our non-working
Our HP printer, which is just
printer.
stop printing, even though it prints test pages, it won't print anything else.
Yeah.
Then you ask it to print. No matter how many times I've tried unplugging, replugging, downloading the thing,
It doesn't print.
no, doesn't work.
Yeah.
But I don't know
Didn't
whether
work.
this will.
Yeah. So this is the quick.
Problem is downloading the printing information and all that for it to print.
Yeah.
That's the problem we are having.
So it's
So we may have the same problem with this.
I hope this is not complicated.
Yeah, so do I.
Well,
At least it was cheap and it was on special offer.
so how much did you get this?
£30.
Oh, I thought you can only get it for £10. You didn't bargain.
No. Can't bargain with Amazon.
Yeah.
It said it's already £5
Oh, there is a
off.
thing in there.
Yeah, problem is there's no thing in our laptop. They used to have them in the old laptops.
Oh, right. Okay.
New laptops, there's no such thing. No place to put that in.
So what will you do?
That's the problem. We'll have to try and download the information, and that is always difficult. Doesn't always work.
Yeah. All right. I thought it's connected here.
There was installation thing as well. The Amazon, well,
Yeah.
the same page. I could have booked that as well, but that costs another twice as much as what more than twice as much as what the printer is costing.
For the installation.
Yeah, so I didn't.
So, okay, so this is the unboxing for today, guys. We have to use this first. Try it. I hope it works
Yes.
because we really need a printer.
Yeah.
We use a lot. I'm not.
Can't print anything.
My husband use a lot.
Yeah, can't print receipts. Can't print
Yeah.
appointments.
Yeah, that's right. You print everything.
Appointments for GPs, blood tests, etc., etc.
Yeah, because you document everything. That's why you need printer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Alright, so this printer is Canon. So this is a MG2551S.
That's the model.
That is the model. And this is
That's-
black. Oh, Pixma.
Yeah,
This-
Canon Pixma.
Oh, Canon Pixma. What does that Pixma means?
It's just a model.
It's a brand.
Yeah, the model.
A model. So Canon is the brand and that is the model.
Yeah.
So, yeah, there's a paper you can use A4, B5, A5. That's it.
Yeah, because you can print photographs as well.
Oh, see. Okay, I want that.
I don't think it would be that particularly good quality.
Yeah. So that's nice. So this is the thing. So I cannot rotate, guys. So that is the inside here. So it's complicated to see.
Yes.
Alright guys, so this is the unboxing for today, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara! Love, love, love.